Shine! Homemade burger patties, let's go!
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Here we are, right, so I'm about to make a video. The missus leaves a tea bag, massive hint, okay. Boil your kettle, we'll make a British copper. Yes, boil your kettle, bang that in your mug, wipe your screen because it's steamy steam. Stir that, yes man. Now steep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Steep that bomber if you want your guests to come back. If not, don't do it, make it dead. Put your milk in, jobs are good and no sugar because you don't like it. Wipe on your board, you dirty man. Now, this mint, sick man, I had to grab it. 90p, reduced, 20% fat beef mint, sick, Lidl, smashed it. You need 2 eggs, egg them. Yes man, black pepper, corns, garlic, paprika, smoked salt, if you've got it, gives it that lovely flavour, red board, and some all-purpose seasoning. Big Bertha bowl now, the big glass bowls. IKEA. Grab your mince, boom, 2 eggs, boom. Paprika and smoked salt, boom. Garlic, boom. All-purpose, smashing it, blood. Black pepper, all your seasonings in there, tablespoon of each, no messing, look and learn. Squash that together with your hands. What a beautiful sound that is. Absolutely disgusting. One for the ASMR people out there. Horrible, but satisfying. Right, combine that all together. You need to make sure that this burger mix is mixed thoroughly. You've got to get all that egg and seasoning throughout it, nice. Now grab your red board. Now we're gonna make massive meatballs. Let's say the size of a tennis ball. That's a good method. We're gonna make 4 out of this pack of mince. Sick for a family. You know, you, the wife, 2 kids, the husband, the wife, the 2 kids. It's classic. Bit of leftovers for the dog. Lovely jubbly. Now mix that into a ball about the size of a tennis ball or your palm. It's up to you. Combine it nicely together because that egg in there is gonna lovely and just firm up when you cook it. It's gonna make it juicy and beautiful, baby. Now once you've done all 4, jeez. Now if you've got a burger press, that's wonderful. But most people now have them thing there, in them cupboard. So I just do it with my hands. You want it about 1/2 inch thick, I reckon. And we just do it like that, nice and rustic, man. You can tell, you know, you go to a barbecue, blah, there's homemade burgers, you'll be like, yeah, lovely. You got the, yeah, look at that, thickness. About 1/2 inch thick, I don't know, ask your mama. Now, I'm not gonna eat these today, because I grabbed them on special offer, and I don't really fancy a burger today, so I'm gonna freeze them down. Get yourself some cling film, or foil, but foil nowhere at good. Get yourself just some veg oil or something. Stops it sticking. Homemade burgers, you see, 'cause it's real meat and it's not machine-formed, reformed beef liquid that's cooked in a vat somewhere in the garage. Then it tends to stick to the cling film, so just, yeah, pat them down like that, boom. Oil the bottom, oil the top, wrap it like a little crimbo party bag. Lovely. Now, look what we have here. 4 beautiful burger patties. I'm talking flavour. Black pepper, garlic, salt, all-purpose, bit of celery salt, onion. Look at them. Fresh, man. Got that black pepper running through there. Beautiful. If you like it, subscribe. Peace.
Flavor Station.